Interior color trends. 2026 for modern homes. Interior color in 2026 is moving away from extremes and embracing refined, nature-inspired calm. The biggest interior color trend is warm minimalism. Think earthy house color palettes with a modern edge. Gone are the stark whites. Instead, interior color in creamy off-whites and butter tones are softening walls. Interior color like sandy beige and light taupe bring a sun-baked feel to modern interiors. Muted terracotta as a house color adds warmth without overwhelming clean modern designs. Interior color in clay and rust shades gives depth while keeping that grounded, organic aesthetic. Dusty olive green is the 2026 interior color darling. It's calming, modern, and versatile. House color schemes that echo desert landscapes, sage, clay, sandstone, feel serene yet sophisticated. Interior color palettes now blend nature with tech. A forest green wall beside sleek matte black cabinets. Misty blues and stormy grays are cool interior color favorites for contemporary coastal-style homes. If you love neutrals, the 2026 interior color update is greige, gray with a beige undertone. Interior color doesn't mean boring. 2026 brings nuance in tone and finish, not just bold hues. Velvety dark blue as a house color makes a striking accent wall in a modern lounge. Interior color in aubergine or deep merlot adds drama to modern kitchens or reading nooks. Don't overlook interior color contrast. Pairing soft ivory walls with midnight trim makes everything pop. Earthy pinks like dusty rose and blush nude are a 2026 house color staple for warm, inviting spaces. Interior color in peachy hues is replacing millennial pink. Warmer, more mature, and easier to layer. A revived house color trend is golden ochre, rich, grounding, and perfect for modern boho homes. Interior color mixing is subtler now, tone-on-tone layers instead of harsh blocks of contrast. Accent house color in metallic finishes, brushed brass, bronze, brings modern elegance to interiors. Interior color in smoky lavender adds a futuristic softness to minimalist homes. House color trends now encourage more personalization. No more one-color-fits-all interiors. Two-tone interior color walls are back. Bottom half deep, top half airy, separated by trim or molding. A favorite house color combo is olive green with cream and matte charcoal, rich and balanced. Interior color palettes are leaning matte. Flat finishes bring a soft, modern sophistication. Sustainable vibes influence interior color. Muted, recycled hues feel intentional and grounded. Interior color in muted pastels, think pistachio, powder blue, and soft apricot, is rising in Scandinavian-style homes. Using interior color to define zones and open layouts is big. Walls and ceilings change subtly by area. Ceilings are no longer ignored. The fifth wall now gets soft interior color in dusty sky tones. Interior color in 2026 makes walls feel like part of the furniture, blended, cohesive, and unified. A major house color shift is from cold grays to warm grays. Think mushroom, not concrete. Black remains a bold house color, but now it's softened in charcoal, slate, and soot tones. Interior color is going custom. More people are mixing their own shades to reflect their taste. Interior color blocking is subtle. Think layered neutrals with similar undertones instead of high contrast. 2026 interior color trends are steering away from harsh whites to more grounded neutrals. Modern homes now feature house color that connects indoors and outdoors. Natural light enhances tone. Interior color that mimics stone, sand, and forest brings calmness to high-tech smart homes. House color choices in 2026 are more emotional. How a color feels now matters more than how it looks. Interior color in greenish grays and mineral blues creates spa-like serenity in bedrooms and baths. Rustic modern blends favor interior color with organic imperfection, nothing too polished or synthetic. Interior color palettes now focus on harmony. Every room should flow without feeling uniform. Even bold house color accents, like ochre or cobalt, are now paired with soft neutrals for balance. Interior color finishes like lime wash and plaster add texture while staying within calm palettes. House color on trims and moldings is making a comeback. No more default white everywhere. Interior color in warm brown tones, like walnut and cocoa, adds coziness to modern minimal spaces. The future of interior color is not flashy. It's thoughtful, layered, and grounded in nature. Interior color doesn't shout in 2026. It whispers, glows, and wraps you in quiet comfort.